What's up guys, welcome to a brand new DuckVR YouTube video, and today I'll be showing you what's in what the goddamn ice crystal sounds like down in caves. So yeah, let's get into it. Because obviously you've got the giant ice crystal there, like you did back in old caves. So they've taken some assets from old caves and put them in new caves. Because I am DuckVR, I took it upon myself to see what the ice sounds like. Disclaimer, I went through lots of struggles to do this. And also you can only do this with Rock Monkey unless if you somehow wall run up there. But yeah. See, here you can get. There you can't get on top of with Rock Monkey. There. This time it only took me 2 tries, last time it took me like 15. Now, I've already tested this before, but all my audio came out laggy. And god damn it. So I already know what it sounds like, but you guys probably don't if you... How about I didn't need to upload it anyway, so I thought I'd be doing this. God damn it. First time this time. Before I have gone over and landed on that school. But yeah, here's what it sounds like. It's literally just ice. It's literal ice. You can hear the sliding sound that happens down in mountains. So I'm gonna go to mountains and show you what that sounds like for people that don't have Gorilla Tag. Actually, no, it sounds a bit like this. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. But yeah. See you guys later, and yeah. If you've got any ideas for 330 subs on my channel to do Gorilla Tag, please comment in the bottom of this video, because Duck got bored of not doing upload. But yeah, this is where I'm going to end my video. God damn it, move. So this is where I'm going to end my video today, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.